In this video, I'm going to show you how to use something called Thrive SmartLinks to dramatically decrease the number of unsubscribes you get and also add some revenue to every email you send that sends traffic back to your website. I'm going to show you more of what I'm talking about. Let's get into my computer and I'll show you the whole process from beginning to end. So my assistant emailed me. It's also my brother. And he told me that he was having a hard time understanding what Thrive SmartLinks was. He helps me write emails, and we send emails that include links to our content on our site. So what we need to do is we need to make sure that the people that visit don't see the pop-ups that new visitors see. And if they haven't been to the site in a while, it's going to show them those. So what we do is we use something called Thrive SmartLinks to make it so that those pop-ups don't show up, or even better, that they show an already subscribed state. And I'll explain more on why that's so awesome. But first, if you're new to the channel, be sure to click subscribe. I upload 2 to 3 times every single week. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I'm your guy. All right, now let's get into my computer. Okay, so if you followed me at all over the past 3 years, you know that I use Thrive themes. I love it. It's got a suite of plugins that come included. It's really, really powerful. And if you're using that, you can use Thrive SmartLinks. It's part of Thrive Leads, which is the tool that I use to build my email list. To access it, we just come down here into Thrive Dashboard. Come to Thrive Leads. From there, we're going to come to Advanced Features, and we're going to come down here to Smart Links. From there, we're going to select the page or URL that we want to send traffic to, and then we're going to decide what we want to happen. So let's just pick a random page here. You can either paste the URL or you can find it manually. So let's find one, just every WordPress plugin that I use and why. All right, next, I want to target all forms on my site, or I only want to target certain lead groups. I always do all forms on my site because most of the content that I send is highly specific. So these are all going to be in the same form group, basically. But if you want to switch that on, you can, and then you can select which lead groups to target. But I'm just going to do all forms on my site. Next, on step 4, we have the option of what we're going to do. Do you just want to hide all the forms so that they read the content? Or do you want to display the already subscribed state of the form? And I told you why this was so powerful. Let me explain. The already subscribed state is something that will come up to anyone who's already subscribed and opted in to your email list through Thrive Leads. Why that's awesome is that if you have someone on your mailing list, you don't want to show them the pop-up to opt in again, but you can show them a pop-up to possibly buy something or subscribe to your YouTube channel or follow you on social, whatever it is. You can do a lot of other calls to action inside there that aren't maybe as aggressive as a pop-up. They could just be something in the header bar. They could be a slide in. They could only show up on desktop. Whatever you want to do, you can do that. And it doesn't have to collect an email, which is an awesome way to drive extra clicks. Because keep in mind, the people that are on your email list are the cream of the crop when it comes to quality potential buyers. These are people that know, like, and trust you already because they gave you their email. So that is how that works. Then you can decide how long you want that link to work. I usually do for as long as possible. You can also do for only once until the visitor closes the browser tab or a custom period of time. Okay. And then I'm just going to do for as long as possible. Keep in mind that once they clear their cookies, it's going to go away. And if they go on a different device, it's not perfect. So if they're opening something up that isn't cookied, they might still see the pop-up, unfortunately. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this link. And if you look at this link, it's a little bit different than normal. The typical URL would look like this, right? But the Thrive Smart link is going to look like this. It's the same thing, except for they add this part here to the end. And then when someone opens that, it's going to show the already subscribed state. Pretty cool. So then I would go into my ConvertKit or whatever it is that I'm trying to share that, and I would use that link instead of the regular one. Let me show you really quickly some things that we can do with already subscribed state emails. So I'll go ahead and I'll just make a new one from scratch. Let's do one to promote this channel. Okay, so I'll use this. Come here to edit design. And here's the default that people would see. What I want to do is come down here to this little green plus button and then come here to add a new state. Currently I have 2 states on this. The second state's just the thank you. It's going to show them where to go and what to do next after they opt in. But now I want to do one that is an already subscribed state. So this is going to be what they see if they've already been subscribed, right? So for this, let's go ahead and just use one from a template. So it's not the prettiest one I've ever made, but it'll work. Now let's go back here and grab that link again and see what happens when we use it. Boom. Awesome. And you can do that with anything. You can do that with a product. You could do it with links to your other socials. You can really drive a ton of extra action by using these already subscribed states. All right, guys, that is it. As always, be sure to like this video and subscribe if you're interested in growing your affiliate marketing business with me. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.